Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making pumpkin soup, and in this pumpkin soup it will have turkey, potatoes, dumplings and carrots. So let's move forward. The first thing you want to do is to clean your turkey thoroughly. That means soak it with lime juice and vinegar, and also scrub them with lime. Take off any hair you might meet along the way and cut off any fat you don't want. After, you are going to season your turkey and leave it to marinate. You can leave it to marinate overnight, couple hours, an hour. It's totally up to you. I will provide a list of the ingredients and measurements I use to season my turkey, and I will list them in the description section. Under the video, there's a down arrow on the right. Click on it and there will be the description section. Please note that you can use any type of meat you want in your soup. After seasoning your meat, you want to go ahead and cut up your pumpkin, peel the skin, and clean out the fibrous strands. Cut them in cubes, or you can cut them in slices. Wash them thoroughly, and we are going to put them to boil. We are going to boil the turkey for 45 minutes. And remember, there are some turkey that are very hard to boil, so make sure that you check for that. In a separate pot, I am going to boil my pumpkin with onions and garlic. And make sure you boil it until it's tender. After boiling, you want to go ahead and strain it and mash it. And you don't have to use a lot of water to boil your pumpkin. Pumpkin is very easy to boil, and it don't need a lot of water. I like to put extra water in my pot in case I need it when making my soup. After 45 minutes of boiling my turkey, I am going to pour my pureed pumpkin into my pot, along with my sweet potatoes and my cornmeal dumpling. Now, you can choose to put whatever provision you want into your soup. I like potatoes and dumplings. I'm not a fan of too much of ground provision, so you just go ahead and use what you like. You can go ahead and use breadfruit, dasheen, edo, tanya, a green plantain, whatever you prefer. You go ahead and use what you want, but do not overcrowd your pot with a lot of ground provision, because it's just going to suck up all the liquid and it will be a total mess. And you can also cut your provision in uniform sizes. You can cut them larger or smaller. It depends on your preference. You can go ahead and use whatever dumpling you want, whether it's coconut, plain, or cornmeal, as I am using. Also, you can go ahead and knead your dumpling stiff. After, you want to salt your pot to the way you like it. I am going to let this boil for 12 minutes. Then I'm going to add my carrots and pepper. The oil floating at the top is from the turkey, the natural turkey fat. So I just want you to keep that in mind. I am going to allow this to boil down for 15 minutes and that will be the end of my pumpkin soup. Look at it. We enjoyed every bit of it. It was so delicious. I love it. And as it cools down, it will thicken a bit, but not too thick. Just right.